Hello and welcome to our recipe video for German cheesecake with fruit and Streusel topping. This can be made with all kinds of fruit, for example pears, apples, peaches, apricots, berries or cherries. Cheesecake is called Käsekuchen in German and is an all-time favorite on every coffee table. I already melted the butter and set it aside to cool down. Add the flour, sugar, the egg, vanilla powder or extract, a pinch of salt and the baking powder to a large bowl and blend together. Slowly add the melted butter and mix until crumbles form. I like to do this in the stand mixer bowl, but you can do this by hand too if you prefer. Set the crumble dough aside and grease a baking pan. I used a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, but you can use a round baking pan too. Place about 3/4 of the dough into a baking pan, then spread it out evenly and press it down firmly. If you look for other German cakes and pastry ideas, you will find the link to the playlist in the right upper corner. Add the quark, vanilla pudding powder, sugar, the egg and lemon juice to a large bowl and whisk until well combined. In the recipe in the description link, you will find some substitutes if you can't find quark and some information if you want to make quark by yourself. It's very easy and super delicious. Pour the filling onto the dough and spread evenly. Then place the fruit on top. In hindsight, I should have cut the fruit into slices, as it is way easier to eat the cake later. Crumble the remaining dough on top of the fruit. This is very easy when you press the dough in the hand and then just crumble it on top over the fruit. Bake the cake for 40 to 50 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the cake to cool completely and sprinkle with powdered sugar. Guten Appetit!